In this video, you will learn how to install the original Nightlock residential door barricade system. To start, you must make sure that you have the proper tools and parts. Confirm that you have the following items: the Nightlock floor plate and lock rail, along with the matching screws and optional plastic anchors. You will need a marker or a pencil, a power drill with a 3/16 inch drill bit, and a Phillips head screwdriver. For installation on tile or cement floors, you will need the supplied blue anchors, a power drill or a hammer drill, and a 5/16 inch masonry drill bit. For installing on carpet, use either a 3/16 inch drill bit for wood subfloors or a 5/16 inch masonry drill bit for cement subfloors. Be cautious when drilling not to snag the carpet. Step 1. Take the floor plate and lock rail and place it on the floor as close to the door as possible, while still allowing the lock rail to slide freely. It's important to note that you must make sure that the Nightlock door barricade is on the doorknob side of the door and not on the opposing side. Step 2. Mark the location of the holes at the bottom of the floor plate with a permanent marker or pencil. Then remove the Nightlock system and drill your pilot holes using your power drill and a 3/16 inch drill bit. Step 3. Clear out any debris left from the drilling process and place your Nightlock floor lock plate over the holes. Then place your screws in the proper positions and drive the screws in until snug. Once you've completed step 3, take your lock rail and slide it into the floor plate, and now you've officially installed your Nightlock door barricade system.